You see all these stunning designs? They are all mine. But the models, the makeup, photography, even the studio, they are 100% AI generated for free. Yes, you heard me right. I didn't pay for studio, no photographer, no makeup artist, no model fees. Yet I got these clean, professional looking photos for my fashion brand. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to do the same using a free AI app so you can bring your designs to life without breaking the bank. Plus, I will give you the exact keywords you need to get realistic model images that match your brand's vibe. At the end of this video, I have a free gift that will make it easier for you to generate these model images. So I will advise to stay to the end. So let's get started. If you do not have ChatGPT app on your phone already, I think it's high time you download it. So let's wait for you for a second. You have it, so let's get started. Navigate to your ChatGPT app and open it. Click on the image icon to upload your image on a mannequin. After uploading, you will need to type in a prompt. A prompt is simply the instruction you are giving ChatGPT. The clearer your prompt is, the better your results will be. And this is where it gets interesting. In your prompt, always include this phrase, realistic live model wearing this outfit. This tells ChatGPT that you want a model that looks like a real person, not a cartoon or an animation. And that will help you to get a realistic model. Here is an example, like I'm typing on the screen now. Model this dress on a Nigerian realistic live model. I'm even specific about the country or how I want the model to look like. After this, you can mention other details, how the model will stand, even the background you want. If you want a shoe for your model, you can even be specific about the type of shoe you want your model to have on. It's that easy. So after giving all the details, click enter. And after doing this, just sit back, relax, and let ChatGPT do its magic. You will be amazed at the results. It might take between a few seconds to some minutes to get the results, but you can be sure that you're going to get a model picture. So ChatGPT is doing its thing, getting started, trying to generate the image while we wait. Our image is ready. Can you see the beautiful model ChatGPT gave us? With shoes on, silver stilettos for that matter. See fine girl now. There's no way you put this picture on your social media handle or your website that people will not rush what you're selling and without spending any money on photography. Here is one common mistake you should avoid. Don't forget to include this phrase, realistic life model, in your prompt. If you do, your image might end up looking like this, so fake, looking like just an animated image or cartoon. We don't want that. We want realistic life image. So don't forget to include that in your prompt. Another bonus point I'm going to add in this tutorial is how you can add multiple colors to your options. You want to see your design in different colors, but you don't have to make different samples in different colors. ChatGPT can help you achieve that. Now we have this pink dress. We can change it to any other color of our choice. In this case, I want to change it to blue. Just long press on the image you already generated and you see this edit sign. Click on the edit sign and then you can type in a new prompt like change the color of this outfit to navy blue or royal blue. I'm using royal blue here. And then wait for ChatGPT to do the trick again. I'm changing the color of this pink dress to royal blue. We are waiting. And we have it. The same pink dress in another color. Will you be trying this for your fashion brand? I would love to hear from you. Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more tutorials like this one. And then to the gift I promised at the beginning of this video, because I don't want to stress you, I've collated some prompts that will help you generate your own model pictures. All you have to do is upload your image and paste the prompt, and you are sure to get results. So for you to get these prompts, click the link in the description box below to get yours for free. I'm not asking for money, free. You are welcome. Until I come your way next time, my name is Sarah, and this is Princess Fashion.